Hi, my name is Christian from Trade Forex Facile, and this evening I'm going to show you how I do at glance strong weak currency analysis. So before starting, you have to note that this video is only for educational purposes and also trading involves risks. Okay, now I open a market scope version 2. This is a chart that I'm using every day. So I open up Euro US dollar on a 4-hour chart. Okay, now we need to add a simple moving average over 200 because this period is a line in the sand. You see here, many banks are using this moving average, which is quite good to indicate the trend when you're trading daily, 4 hours, daily, weekly short. And this is the way I do. Okay, so now we have to look at the price, if the price action is above or below this line. Okay, here in that case, euro US dollar, the euro is stronger than the US dollar. So what I do, I open a notepad and I type the date of today, 1904 15 11:30 p.m. Okay, so euro USD, I just add a plus just to remember that the euro is stronger than the US dollar. Then I go to 6 other pairs that goes with the euro. So we have euro GBP, euro GBP. Quick look at the chart, is below the 200 moving average, so it's bearish. Then so on, euro Japanese yen, which is bearish, so minus. Euro wood, bearish. Euro Australian dollar, bearish. Okay, now Euro CAD is bearish, and we have the Euro Swiss bearish. We need another one, Euro GBP, Euro NZD. Okay, and we finish for the euro. Alright, NZD, quick look. Okay, bearish. Alright, when that is done, you just tally up or your currency you paired with the euro. So we have, out of 7, we have 6 negatives. So euro minus 6. So out of 7 currencies, euro is the 6th negative one. So it's quite strongly bullish for the following days. You do exactly the same now with all the 6 remaining pairs: US dollar, Australian dollar, New Zealand, Japanese yen, GBP, and CAD. Okay, I'm gonna cut that video and then we'll start again, and I will show you all the currency done and the strongest to the weakest currencies. See you later. Thank you. Okay, now as you can see, if I scroll down, I've done all the 7 pairs together, and now this is where is the classification. Alright, US dollar is the weakest one, then the second one is the euro, and the third one is the GBP. The strongest one is the CAD. the second strongest one is the NZD, and the third one is CHF. Okay, so to put the order in our favor, what would be good to do is to pair up US dollar CAD by example, because those two, so we know that the US dollar is quite bearish, it's quite weak in comparison to the CAD. So what we would like to do is to go to the US dollar CAD and to look for any opportunities. This is my chart. I'm using Ishimoku, which is a Japanese trading system. Okay, let's see. Okay, we can see that there is a support that is testing. Alright, okay, yeah, okay, the dollar since Thursday became weaker than the CAD as this channel got broken. Now it's testing this support at 121.76. It might rebound a bit here, maybe towards this, and it would be nice to watch if there is a bit of a rebound over here, this zone, and then after breakdown again. What I do with Ishimoku, I'm watching this line because this line is very important. It's the lagging line. So if the lagging line is breaking the cloud, here is the cloud. It's a kind of a support resistance. So now it's acting as a support at the moment. But you see here there is a twist, and that twist shows that it may have turned now to bearish mode. So it may continue like that. You see this line here just was above the other line of the cloud, and now the twist and now is below. And if this lagging line, which indicates the momentum, is shifting now and is breaking over here, which is a 26 period lagging. So for example, I show you here, and you can see there is 26 period between where we are now and where the line is. So I'm gonna watch that pair, but definitely I will look a potential opportunity to short that pair because I know that the US dollar is weaker than the CAD. Thank you for watching, and I will publish my next video with more Ishimoku and trading.